Alright, this is an experiment for sure. If you've watched the other videos that I did about homemade wood stains, you know that I kind of have dabbled in such a thing. But that was going off like other YouTube videos for the most part. This is completely my own idea, so I don't know if this might be a complete fail, but if you're watching it, probably wasn't. I don't know. Anyways, so I've got a bunch of different types of wood, and then I've got filtered out pine sap mixed with rubbing alcohol. Just shake it up a little bit. But the idea that I have here is you apply it, and then the alcohol evaporates, and then the tree sap hopefully will solidify and give you a finish. But I don't know. We'll see. Could be a complete fail. But kind of excited to try it. But yeah, just filtered out tree sap, pine sap to be exact, and then rubbing alcohol. This can be pretty hard to open. Oh. There we go. Okay. So, that's what it looks like. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, that's what it looks like wet. But if you watch the other video, you know that means nothing. It all depends on what it looks like when it dries. And it's drying really quick, so I'm just going to keep applying it. It looks good when it's wet. So hopefully we can build up enough to keep it that way. I don't know. This is already starting to look like a fail to me, but it's a lot more transparent than I thought it would be. I thought it would have quite a bit of color to it, but let's try some on this walnut here. See what that does. And we got a few different types of wood. I don't know what the other ones are. That looks really good wet on the walnut. I wish our lighting situation was better, but we'll do what we can. Try this piece, whatever it is. Actually looks pretty good. Just trying to leave a thick coat of it on there. Probably want to shake this up every once in a while. And keep it closed so it doesn't evaporate. Or you'll just be adding alcohol to it all the time. Partly smells amazing, partly smells awful. The rubbing alcohol sucks, but the pine sap smells good. It's kind of a weird smell. I don't know, that might just be working, but it might not. We'll try this piece of oak too. That'll be a good fire starter. Very good fire starter. I don't know. What do you guys think? Don't cheat. Don't skip ahead. If you're watching right now, tell me what you think. I think it has a slim chance. But you'd have to build this stuff up pretty good. And it doesn't look amazing, but yeah, I can feel it building up on my gloves, which might not be a good thing because it's sticky. I'm hoping the alcohol didn't change the pine sap to where it doesn't solidify. You never know. Not a scientist, but yeah. The one issue that I can foresee with this is pine sap melts at like nothing, so you're not going to want to use this like on the fireplace, like around the fireplace mantle thing, because then the whole thing would catch on fire probably, but for certain applications maybe. As of right now, not looking promising. I can feel it building up, so that's good, but it's really sticky. So I'm hoping that the alcohol didn't ruin the pine sap, because usually it solidifies, but maybe something in the alcohol ruined that. Yeah, I don't want to make any crazy assumptions too quickly, but I think this is working. Like, it's a little bit sticky, but I think I just haven't let it dry enough, but I mean, there's definitely a difference. But yeah, it is still a little bit sticky, but it's nothing crazy. This stuff's probably, yeah, that's still wet, but yeah, it's still kind of sticky. We'll let it dry for quite a bit longer. So what I want to try to do is take some steel wool, very fine steel wool, and just see if it disappears if I try to even it out with this. I mean, I'm not a dentist, I'm not a scientist, I'm not a doctor, I'm not anything. But I was just thinking to myself, did we just make a food safe wood protectant? You can't call it a stain, it's definitely not a wood stain. But like a wood finish? Is that what we just made? I don't know. I would think so. I don't know, it doesn't do much for looks on the maple, if that's even what this is. I think it is, but pretty uneducated guess there. But let's just see what happens when we take the steel wool to this one. Yeah, see, like, that feels good. And that doesn't look bad at all. There's actually a difference between the non-finished wood and the finished wood. It's got a really nice look to it, actually. Then the maple has a little bit of difference, but it's not a whole lot. It's pretty shiny wood all the way through. And then the walnut. Like, look at that. That looks great. Does it not? Huh. Well, I think this actually isn't a fail. For a bit there, I was thinking, well, this is a complete failure, but not at all. Let me just try to use this. Yeah. Like, all of these look really good. other than the maple or whatever that mystery wood is. Huh, cool. And this doesn't look much different either. With the steel wool, it looks good though. Like, it doesn't look bad. Just gives it a nice shine. And I'm sure you could burnish it a little bit more to make it shine even more. But like those, if I can hold them, those don't look bad at all. So I think we actually did something there. I don't know, let me know what you think, but I think we actually did something. Pine sap and rubbing alcohol. Pretty crazy. Do you want me to try different saps? Like, do you think I'd get different results from a different tree sap? Probably not, but worth the experiment maybe? I don't know. Let me know. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I thought it was pretty cool. It sucks that the maple really didn't do too much. I mean, you can kind of tell. Oh, there goes my light. Well, that makes it easier. You can kind of tell, just not much. But these other ones, you can really see the difference. Like, that one looks really good too. Kind of got a bunch of the crap there, but it's fine. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever. Let me know if you have any ideas or anything. But that is it for today. My light is falling apart on me.